The Pixel 10 event has wrapped up, and Google had a lot to show. For new phones, a new Pixel Watch, updated earbuds, and tons of AI features. Let's break down the top 10 key takeaways from the Made by Google 2025 event. First up, the lineup itself. We now have the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Alongside them, Google also introduced the Pixel Watch 4, Pixel Buds 2a, and updates to the Pixel Buds Pro 2. The pricing remains familiar, with the Pixel 10 starting at $799 and the foldable at $1,799. So, no price hikes this year. Number 1. The new Tensor G5 processor. This is the first Tensor chip not built with Samsung. Instead, it's made by TSMC on the 3nm process. Google says it's 34% faster on the CPU side, while the AI-focused GPU is up to 60% more powerful. It supports the Gemini Nano model for on-device AI that runs 2.6 times faster and twice as efficiently as before. The upgraded image signal processor means better low-light video, motion blur, zoom up to 100x, and improved real tone. That said, early benchmarks suggest it's still behind Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite in raw performance. Number 2. Gemini AI is everywhere. Gemini Nano and Gemini Live are baked into daily apps like Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and Maps. Soon, it'll work in Messages, Phone, and Clock as well. The idea is simple: multitask through natural conversations. For example, ask Gemini for directions while also messaging someone, or let it give visual guidance using the camera. Gemini even sounds more natural now, with improved rhythm, pitch, and intonation. Number 3. Google Photos gets conversational editing. Instead of digging through menus and sliders, you can now just describe what you want. Say remove the cars from the background or fix the lighting, and the app does it. You can also swap backgrounds, add objects, or restore old photos, all with follow-up instructions if the first try isn't perfect. Number 4. Magic Queue. This feature is like having a smart assistant that doesn't get in the way. It pulls useful information across apps like Gmail, Calendar, or Screenshots and suggests actions only when relevant. For example, if a friend asks about your flight, Magic Queue will surface your itinerary and make it easy to share. It also powers the new Daily Hub, which acts like a personalized feed of events, content, and reminders. Number 5. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Google's foldable isn't chasing thinness like Samsung's Z Fold 7, but it focuses on durability and endurance. It has a 5015 mAh battery for over 30 hours of use, an 8-inch old inner screen, 16 GB of RAM, and IP68 water and dust resistance. The new hinge design is gearless and twice as strong as the last one. Google claims it can last over 10 years if you fold it 50 times a day. Number 6. Photography takes a big leap on the Pro models. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL get better optical stabilization, improved HDR+ processing, and support for 50MP high-resolution shots. ProRes zoom extends up to 100x, and panorama mode can hit 100MP. Gemini also helps with camera coach and guided frame, assisting in composition and accessibility. The baseline Pixel 10 even adds a telephoto camera for the first time, though its main and ultrawide lenses are slightly downgraded from last year. Number 7. The Pixel Buds 2a. For the first time, the series gets active noise cancellation. These earbuds are lighter, come with for ear sizes, and are IP54 rated against sweat and water. The sound quality should be better thanks to a new custom driver and high-frequency chamber. Battery life is 7 hours with ANC on and up to 20 with the case. The good news? The case battery is replaceable. Number 8. Pixel Snap Charging. All Pixel 10 models support chat to wireless charging with magnets for perfect alignment. Google introduced the Pixel Snap Charger, a charger with stand, and a ring stand. Charging speeds go up to 25 watt on the Pro XL and 15 watt on other chat devices. There's also a 67 watt dual-port USB-C charger that can power a Pixel phone and a second device at the same time. Number 9. The Pixel Watch 4 finally feels like a big upgrade. It has a brighter Actua 360 display, a stronger haptic engine, and runs on Snapdragon's W5 Gen 2 chip. Battery life is up to 40 hours depending on size, with 25% faster charging. The battery and display are now replaceable, which is rare for a smartwatch. It also supports standalone satellite emergency communication and improved health features like smarter sleep tracking, skin temperature sensing, and real-time cycling metrics. And finally, number 10, the end of the SIM card tray at least. For most of the lineup, In the US, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL are eSIM only. The only exception is the Fold, which still supports both physical SIM and eSIM. So that's the Pixel 10 event in a nutshell. Google is doubling down on AI, making small but meaningful hardware upgrades and moving toward an eSIM future. While the Pixel 10 phones might not be the biggest leap in raw specs, the AI-powered features could be the real game changers this year.